Welcome back to Tap Tech, your go-to destination for honest reviews and in-depth looks at the latest in tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated gaming smartphones of the year, the Red Magic 10 Pro. This device has been making waves in the gaming world, and we finally got our hands on it. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into everything this beast of a phone has to offer. Let's start with the design. Right off the bat, the Red Magic 10 Pro looks and feels like a gaming phone. The back panel has an aggressive aesthetic with RGB lighting that glows just right, giving it that unmistakable gamer vibe. The build is sturdy, made from high-grade aluminum and glass, and it doesn't feel overly bulky despite packing a ton of power. The cooling vents on the side and the dedicated gaming trigger buttons instantly remind you this device means business. If you're someone who wants their phone to look as powerful as it performs, this one checks that box. Moving on to the display. The Red Magic 10 Pro features a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED panel with a 2480 by 1116 resolution. But what really stands out is the 165 Hz refresh rate. Every swipe, tap, and scroll feels buttery smooth. Whether you're scrolling through social media or diving into an intense gaming session, the responsiveness is unmatched. The touch sampling rate is a jaw-dropping 960 Hz, which gives you an edge in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. Color reproduction is vibrant, blacks are deep, and the brightness is more than adequate even under harsh sunlight. Under the hood, the Red Magic 10 Pro is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with the Adreno 750 GPU. This combination delivers raw, unfiltered performance. Multitasking is a breeze, and games like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty, Mobile, and PUBG run at the highest settings without breaking a sweat. Thanks to the massive 12GB or even 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM options and UFS 4.0 storage, load times are practically non-existent. You tap, and you're in. A thermal management has always been a highlight of Red Magic phones, and the 10 Pro takes it even further. It features an advanced ICE 13.0 multi-dimensional cooling system. This includes a built-in turbofan, vapor chamber, high thermal conductivity copper foil, and graphite layers. It sounds like overkill, but it works brilliantly. During extended gaming sessions, the phone stays cool to the touch, and performance remains consistent. No throttling, no lag, just pure gaming. Now let's talk software. The Red Magic OS 9.0, based on Android 14, is tailored for gamers. There's a dedicated gaming dashboard that lets you monitor performance, record gameplay, block notifications, and even adjust fan speed and RGB lighting. You can also remap the shoulder triggers to suit your game. There are minimal bloatware issues, and everything feels snappy. One thing we appreciated is that Red Magic has started pushing more frequent updates, which means better stability and security going forward. In terms of battery, the Red Magic 10 Pro packs a 6000 mAh dual-cell battery. Combine that with the efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and you've got a device that easily lasts a full day even with heavy use. For gaming, you can expect around 7 to 8 hours of continuous play. And when you do need to recharge, it supports 165W fast charging. That's right, 165 watts. This can get your phone from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes. It's insanely fast and perfect for gamers who don't want to be tethered to a wall outlet for too long. Let's touch on the camera briefly. Now, gaming phones aren't known for stellar cameras, but Red Magic is trying to change that. The Red Magic 10 Pro features a triple camera setup on the rear with a 50MP main sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. Photos taken in good lighting are sharp with decent dynamic range. Night shots are passable, but don't expect flagship-level performance. The 16MP front camera does a solid job for selfies and video calls. While it's not a camera-centric phone, it's more than capable for everyday photography. Audio is another important aspect for gamers, and Red Magic doesn't disappoint. The stereo speakers are loud and clear with decent bass. There's also a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a rare feature these days. The haptic feedback is tight and responsive, adding to the immersive gaming experience. Whether you're using Headphones or not, the audio setup here is designed to keep you in the game. One of the most underrated features is the Red Magic Studio. It allows you to stream your games directly to a PC or monitor with zero lag. This is perfect for content creators who want to showcase mobile gameplay or for anyone who wants a bigger display without compromising performance. There's also support for USB-C display output and even wireless display casting. Connectivity-wise, the Red Magic 10 Pro is loaded. You get 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. Everything from downloading large files to streaming high-quality content is smooth and reliable. The in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, and there's face unlock as well. Let's now talk about the gaming experience overall. With features like shoulder triggers, high refresh rate, responsive touch, powerful internals, and active cooling, this device offers a console-like experience in a smartphone form factor. You feel the difference the moment you jump into a competitive shooter or a high-graphics RPG. The shoulder triggers are especially handy and can be mapped to perform any in-game action, aiming, shooting, jumping, you name it. Combined with the customizable RGB lighting and haptics, it creates a truly immersive environment. For accessories, Red Magic offers a full ecosystem to complement your device. There's a custom cooling back clip that further enhances thermal performance. Game controllers, docks, and protective cases are all available to give you a more console-like setup. These extras may not be essential, but they certainly elevate the experience. Pricing is competitive too. Starting at around $699 for the base model, the Red Magic 10 Pro offers incredible value for gamers. Compared to other flagship phones that cost $1,000 and above and don't even focus on gaming, this is a great deal. For what you're getting in terms of performance, features, and build quality, it's hard to beat. As for durability, the phone has been put through drop tests and stress tests by several tech reviewers, and it holds up pretty well. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, and the overall structure feels solid. Just remember, this is still a glass and metal device, so a case is definitely recommended. To wrap things up, the Red Magic 10 Pro isn't just another gaming phone, it's a complete performance package. It's designed for those who live and breathe mobile gaming but also need a capable phone for everyday tasks. With top-tier specs, a gorgeous display, advanced cooling, fast charging, and thoughtful software enhancements, this device stands out in a crowded market. Whether you're a hardcore mobile gamer, a content creator, or someone who wants a futuristic-looking phone that can do it all, the Red Magic 10 Pro deserves your attention. It's bold, it's fast, and it's unapologetically built for performance. But that's it for today's deep dive on the Red Magic 10 Pro. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tap Tech for more honest and detailed tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.